nice and polished, and it's two different view, quite opposite actually. Both are okay, but there is still a but. But I think that in France we spend too much time dealing with problems that will never happen. Okay, in Asia it's much more concrete, much more direct on this side. We don't spend time to bother about, but if I activate that, maybe I will be in trouble because I don't have this functionality, and it's something that you will never have. In France, we always have somebody who will tell you, I would like to have this functionality, which is a lot of development, and it's useless, totally useless, and it put a lot of weight on the project. It's difficult to deliver sometimes because of some people want too much where they should just accept the basic product, and it can be a problem. It can be really a problem.
So last question. What advice would you give to students to successfully integrate into the professional world?
Don't be afraid. First of all, don't be afraid. We are in the area of startups. We always talk about the zone of confidence, where you feel cozy, you feel home, you feel okay. You have to get out of that. It's very important because it's like, let's say you listen to music, you listen to software of music. They always give you what you like. In the end, your culture becomes poor and poorer. Okay? Because you never listen to something new. By definition, when you stay in the same area, you don't learn something new. By definition. So you always have to be aware, like Jean-Claude Van Damme said. You have to be aware. No, really, you have to listen to what is around you, and for a student who arrive into the professional space, you have to really be aware of what's around you, to listen to new stuff, to new technology, to be to do your we call it from the veil, to be the awareness of the market, of the technology, of the techniques. To always have to be critical on yourself. This is the first thing. And don't be afraid. Because, in the Silicon Valley, I have the chance to go to Silicon Valley for a while. What we say over there, fail fast. Fail often, but fail fast. It's okay to fail, but have to do it fast. You cannot take 10 years to fail. If you fail, it's a good thing, because you will know what not to do. Which is a good thing to know, but do it fast. Okay, so you have to be very reactive. That's basically the main thing. There is another thing that is really is very important for me, which is the ego part of the story. You have to be humble to what you have done. You may have done great things, but you always have to keep it low. It doesn't matter to put it forth and to explode, to speak louder than your friends or anyone. It doesn't matter. If you have done great things, they will appear anyway. You can use that personally. It's your brick, your Lego bricks, to the one that built you. Okay, it's internal. After, what you can do with that is a different thing. But no need to shout it on the roof. It's something very different. It will always be seen as a bad thing, not a good thing. Okay, you have done great thing. It's fine. It will happen. It will be used in a way. No need to say it. Voilà. So to be humble, I think it's something very important, and it's how you build a relationship with customers and clients and your coworkers. Because in the end, we are human dealing with humans. We are in the digital space, but for me, the human is the center of everything. We deal with people. A little joke, a little hi, a little good morning will be always better than, hey, look, I've compiled this in 1.3 seconds, faster than you. Okay? Because we deal with people in the end. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Thank you for welcoming us, and see you next time.
It was really a pleasure to have you on board, and effectively, see you next time in a very near future, I hope.
Yeah.
See you.
And,
Thank you very much.
Don't be afraid.
I
And be humble. Be humble.
It's on the menu. Thank you. Bye bye.